Hello everyone, I am Ana Ronaldin Nation and I will be discuss about the Sustainable Development Goal number 14 or the life below water. Sustainable Development Goal number 14 or SDG 14, Life Below Water, aims to conserve and sustainably use oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. Oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface and play a vital role in supporting life, regulating climate, and providing food and livelihoods for millions of people worldwide. Importance of life below water. Marine ecosystems are home to wide variety of plants and animals, including fish, coral reef, mangroves, and seagrass. These ecosystems provide essential services such as food supply, oxygen production, coastal protection, and sources of income through fishing and tourism. Healthy oceans are also crucial in absorbing carbon dioxide, helping to reduce the impacts of climate change. Major threats to marine life. Despite their importance, oceans face serious threats caused by human activities. Marine pollution, especially plastic waste and chemical runoff, harms marine organisms and ecosystems. Overfishing reduces fish populations faster than they can reproduce, disrupting food chains. Climate change leads to ocean warming and acidification, which damage coral reef and affect marine biodiversity. Habitat destruction, such as coral reef damage and mangrove loss, further threatens marine life. The goals and targets of SDG 14. So, Sustainable Development Goal 14 focuses on several key targets, including reducing marine pollution from land-based activities, protecting marine and coastal ecosystems, regulating fishing and prevent overfishing and illegal fishing, conserving at least 10% of coastal and marine areas, increasing scientific knowledge and sustainable use of marine sources. These targets aim to ensure that oceans remain productive and healthy for present and future generations. Ways to support SDG 14. Everyone can help protect life below water. Simple actions such as reducing plastic use, properly disposing of waste, conserving water, and supporting sustainable seafood choices can make a difference. Government, schools, and communities also play a role by enforcing environmental laws, promoting marine conservation, and educating people about the importance of ocean protection. In conclusion, SDG 14 or Life Below Water highlights the urgent need to protect and sustainably manage marine ecosystems. By taking collective action, humans can preserve ocean life, ensure food security, and maintain the balance of nature. Protecting our oceans today means securing a healthier planet for future generations.